Hello everyone. Now let's check one Seagate pension hard drive, and we are look into the steps to repair the firmware corruption and recover lost data. Now this is COM terminal, and we can see here are the error messages output from the pension drive. From the error messages, and there's no obvious firmware error indicated. So let's enter the software and check the details. And we can see this is the model number. Okay, this is family ID. For this drive, we can see here is the model list, and we can try to back up the SOS files and back up the ROM too. Well, let's check first if this drive is knocked or not. So we can see, we can check the Control L information. That means this drive is not knocked. And let's back up the important SOS files first. It's reading the SOS table. So now let's take the most important ones. These are the SOS files, and also they are the same as the firmware modules. So we can click OK. Now we have backed up these important SOS files, and we need also to back up the ROM. Let's back up by ATM mode and say operation completes. Because it's not locked, so we can back up the ROM by ATM mode. Now, after we back up everything, we can enter the DFL DDP data recovery software to recover the lost files. So let's set up one new project for data recovery. And here we can see we find lost partition, the F8032. Anyway, this is one password, BitLocker password protected partition. So we just need to input the password here to unlock the partition to get all lost files. Thank you for watching the video.